So here is how you preview your Wix or Wix Studio websites on a new tab or a new window. But first of all, let's take a look at what Wix Studio and Wix already has for us. Now I am on my Wix Studio editor, and when I make a change and I want to take a look at how this website looks like directly on my editor, all I have to do is to head over to this header over here and click on this preview or eye icon here, and this will allow me to actually test out my website directly on my editor without having to publish or view it on the live site. So this kind of protects you from pushing your site live when you have not concluded on a design or what needs to go live. However, there is a different and more efficient way for you to preview your website, especially when you have co-site owners and you want them to preview your website without having to visit the editor. And this is by generating a link for them. So I'm going to head again over to this eye icon here, and on this drop down icon we have different preview options, and the first option, which is a preview editor, is what we just tested out right now, and the other option we have is a preview as test site. So I'm going to generate a link that will actually preview a new site. As you can see, that is working and the link is being generated. Now sometimes your browser might prevent pop-up, but as you can see, the icon has changed. That means we are still previewing as a test site. So go ahead and click on that again, and that will navigate to a new tab with the link. And as you can see, now we have a different link from your site, and there is a parameter right here called a test site. Now this is perfect for you to share with anyone, especially if you don't want to publish the site yet. So the last option we have is to preview on mobile devices, and basically what this does is just to generate a QR code that you can scan with your phone and preview. So this QR code contains this URL here, or just this URL over here. So basically just allowing you to copy that URL easily with your mobile devices without having to type in this on your phone. All right, so that's how you preview test sites. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. If it was, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you're also looking for more tutorials like this, visit my channel. I have a link in the description below. And also want to check out how to add advanced filter and search to your Wix Studio or Wix website tutorial that you can see in the link at the top right, I think, corner of this video. Thank you very much, and I will see you next tutorial.